It's just a very short one here to have a little look at the E2S Intrinsically Safe Manual Callpoint. This one is destined to be used in an access control project on an interlock in a pharmaceutical plant. So there's an intrinsically safe requirement because it's inside the hazard area, and it's green because it's going to go on to the access control. This is going to be used to release doors inside an interlock. They're available in typically red, you see, for fire alarm, but it's available in blue, custom colours, yellow, you name it, we can do it. It's just a matter of finding out what your requirement is. We also have these in a BEX, an explosion proof version. So the intrinsically safe, the typical thing is you come in from the safe side into a barrier that's still on the safe side, and then you bring your cables out into your intrinsically safe call point, which is actually in the zoned area. So your the zoning of the area is determined by the gas or dust that's in the area and your intrinsically safe requirement. So you have your entries here, which you would plug in with whatever your standard requirement with your site cabling is. So it's important to get that right. This particular one is supplied with a lift flap, and that's glass on that. So if you need to reset that, there's an Allen key that's supplied with that for testing, and so that's tested there, and then we can reset it as well. So we can test it without actually breaking the break glass. Yeah, neat unit. Typical of E2S. Clear and concise instructions here with all your ATEX ratings, all the other bits and pieces you need to know. So you should know what area you're putting this in before you even place the order for it, because that's essential that you get right. Full connection details there in the manual, and important notes on your earthing and your bonding and all that kind of stuff. So and it shows how you're connecting through your barrier and all that kind of stuff. So there it is. That's the green version. Red, green, blue, you name it, we can do it. And that's the intrinsically safe version, but the explosion proof version is pretty similar. The big difference between the explosion proof version is you just come from the safe side directly into the hazard area with your cable. So your cable's shielded and it's correct for whatever it is you're trying to do, and you just terminate directly into this, and it's just sealed differently, so there isn't a path for an explosion to take place. Okay, if you have any questions on this, give us a call in the office. The EX and the intrinsically safe stuff seems to sometimes be one that we get a lot of questions on. We do an awful lot of it, so we can answer any questions you have on it. So info@comsec.ie, or give us a call. Thanks very much.